The clouds arrive in silken grace to hush the heat of summer days. They drape the sky in silver thread and crown the trees with drops instead. The vines exhale a scented breeze that dances through the swaying trees. Each leaf a harp, each stream a song, in nature's choir, soft and strong. The puddles bloom like mirrors low, where paper boats and daydreams go. Frogs croon their notes in grassy lanes, as earth awakens in the rains. Umbrella skies and barefoot trails, wet laughter on the window rails. The world slows down, the soul finds space, to breathe in calm, to feel grace.